So these are all the clothes that I have laid out, and this is the size of the carry-on. How are we going to do this? I'm not sure, but let's find out. Guys, we are going to Europe. I'm so excited. My plane leaves in an hour, so I have some time to kill. And I have never been to Paris before. This will be my first time in Paris. I'm going to spend about 3 days there, and then I'm heading over to Barcelona, and I'm going to spend 5 days in Barcelona. And I'm supposed to arrive in Paris at 7 a.m., but for New York time, it's going to feel like 1 a.m. So I'm going to be so tired when I land, and I'm going there for a professional conference. I have never been to one of these things before, so I'm so excited that I was invited for free. Like, what? So we have some time to kill at the airport. I actually just edited a vlog, and let me give you an airport tour. Is that a thing? This is my first time in this airport. It's really small, but I like small airports because I'm so used to going to JFK. And if you know JFK, it is so busy and hectic, and people are not nice. But here, all the employees have been so nice, which is so nice for me because I have so much anxiety when I go into an airport and I have to fly, like checking in bags and just being in lines and taking off your shoes. Like, it stresses me out. So to have people take their time to ask you how your day is and to just answer your questions without rushing you is so incredibly nice. Also, this is the airport fit. I have on leggings, a sweater, my fanny pack, which holds my passport in. If you do not wear a fanny pack when you travel, this lets me know that I always have my passport with me. And this coat, it's like corduroy. I got it for Christmas. It's from Forever 21, the men's section, of course. And it's really cold in here. Like, normally in the airports, I'm so hot, especially on the planes. I feel like I'm just that type of person who's normally hot, but I'm really cold today. So I'm so happy that I packed layers. And we're going to continue walking around. I'm flying with United today, which I'm really happy. I've never flown with them before, but it seems like a better airline company than some of the airline companies I've flown with in the past. This is a carry-on bag in question. I have masks here, but they haven't told me to wear one yet, but I obviously have enough packed. I have my laptop here and just some other random things in addition to my sleeping mask that I'm going to need for the plane. And then I have this fanny pack, which has my passport in it, and then this is just filled with all of my wires. I did study in Spain in 2017, but I didn't get the chance to go to Barcelona. I was only studying in Madrid, but we are making the comeback, so I'm hoping I'm going to have France vlogs and Barcelona vlogs up on my channel. If you're into that, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. But I have like 2 hours still before my plane departs, and it's only an hour and a half plane ride to another airport, and then from there I'm going to go directly to France, and that's a 7-hour flight. And I think I'm going to land at 7 o'clock ish in the morning in France, but it's going to feel like 1 o'clock for me on New York time, and I'm really nervous about that because the way the conference is going, like, we just jump right into it. There's no relaxed time at all, so it's like I'm waking up at 1 o'clock in the morning to start this conference, and I'm a little bit nervous. These bitches in my business, come me on treat you some violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Honestly, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But you keep it down, like nobody knows. I was just really productive for about 45 minutes. I got a whole vlog basically rough edited. I just got the pack with me vlog basically done. I just need to go back, review it, add in the music, add the sound effects, add the transitions, and all the fun stuff. And the airport right now is really quiet. I got here early, but I'm always happy with being here early. Now I have about an hour or so to kill, and I really don't know what I want to do because I have to go to my gate area in about 20-ish minutes, and I'm not sure if I want to get lunch or something before, I go on the plane. I do have snacks. Of course, I pack snacks. I always pack snacks. I'm like the snack packing queen. But one thing I didn't mention was the fact that the people here are like the nicest people I've ever experienced in an airport public setting. Like, normally, everyone, especially in JFK, are rushing you so much, and it's so anxiety inducing. It's stressful, and there's so many people there. But here, people were nice. They were asking me how my day was. They were answering my questions. Like, I love this type of environment. It makes the airport experience that much less stressful. But I'm going to close my laptop here. I'm actually going to put it into sleep mode first.
If I put it quite plainly, just give me the babies. So what you doing tonight?
One thing they do have here is this water fountain, but what's more special about it is that they give you little cups in case you forgot a water bottle.
My skin also picked a really bad time to break out and just have a reaction because you can see how red it is over here. I started to use a new facial moisturizer this morning and I packed it with me on this trip, and I didn't even think my skin would react negatively to it, but you can see just how red it is, and it's like a burning sensation as well, which I hate. So that means we're gonna have to buy a new facial lotion in Paris once we land.
Articulate the feeling I'm going through. I just can't say I don't love you, 'cause I love you. Yeah, it's hard for me to communicate the thoughts that I hold, but tonight I'm gonna let you know. Let me tell the truth.
We just got into the airport and I'm 2 hours early for my flight. I got my check bags checked in and my carry-on is super heavy. I don't even know how I was able to manage to carry it on.
You hate that you want me, hate it when you cry. You're scared to be lonely, especially in the night. I'm scared that I'll miss you. Happens every time. I don't hold this feeling. I can't afford love. I try to find reason to pull us apart. It ain't working, 'cause you're perfect, and I know that you're worth it. I can't walk away.